everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Beautiful car, guys. Rock solid Virginia body. This is the original color combination, K2 vitamin C orange. It's got the black vinyl top, black vinyl interior. Pretty car, guys. Factory 340 car. It does not have the matching numbers engine in it. It's actually got a 72 340 in it. 727 torqueflite automatic. 8 3/4 rear end. Great car. Car's supposed to have like 60-some thousand actual miles. As I always tell people, I've been doing this long enough that I always take miles with a grain of salt. I always just look at the car, but it is a beautiful car. Runs and drives excellent. It's just a good car. Nice set of Cooper Cobras on it with the 15-inch rallies. Pretty fortunate right now. We got a little sunshine to shoot in. It's been hazy all day and cloudy, and all of a sudden the sun's popped out. Nice car. Yeah, done there. We got a little wax or something. Sorry, the guys have. That's just. I'm not real sure what we've got. A little wax or something. But nice car. Trim's nice. You can see the bumpers have definitely been replaced. Pretty car. I love the color combination. You see a little split there in the dash. Vinyl top's in great shape. It is a real Cuda too. This is, it does have the BS VIN. It is a real Cuda. It's got the go wing. Pretty car, man. The car's got great eyes. Just got a real good look to it. You can see it's nice and flat down the sides. It's got that Cuda rear valance on it. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I have bought a bunch of Mopars, which of course are my favorite. That stuff will be hitting the site hopefully very soon here. We've been really busy. The boys have sold a lot of cars, and so we don't have a huge staff here, so we're constantly prepping stuff that's leaving, and trying to get the new stuff on is always it's a constant battle every day. Again, it is a factory 340 car, non-matching numbers engine. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes. You can see it's got the fender tag. It's been converted to electronic ignition. It's got the Mopar radiator with the shroud. Good looking car, and I'll tell you, one of the hottest cars in the country. It's so hard for me to get good quality Cudas at good prices. Everybody wants these cars. Got the dual chrome mirrors. They look original. You can kind of pick those a little bit. Looks like they've replaced the door handles. You can see this trim on the top of the door is very nice. They've definitely refurbished that or replaced that. There's your original door sticker. You know what? I forgot. We do have the mechanics for this. We put a little black plug in there, but we talked to, matter of fact, a guy at Roseville Chrysler got us the part for that, so we should be able to fix that remote mirror. I forgot about that, Jay. That's in the office in there. Bucket seats, console. It's got the slapstick automatic. Stock steering wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Steering wheel's in nice shape. It's a non-rally dash. Of course, the rally dash was an option in these cars that you could order. 63,945 on the odometer. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Again, there's a little split up there at the top of the dash. Put an aftermarket oil pressure gauge underneath the hood there, or underneath the dash. Dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 rear end, not a big gear. I'm assuming a stock 323. We've got some the original owner's manual, as well as some of the receipts on the restoration are in here. I can't say we got a bunch of stuff, but there's some stuff in there. You can see it looks like it's got the original quarters on it. It is painted body color in the trunk here. Factory jack with spare. And it's got the stock exhaust. It's actually got the resonators in there. Good looking car. And you can see, you know, you can pick some stuff, guys. I always tell you that. In fact, right on my website, I always tell you there's always something you can pick on these old cars. They're all old cars, man. No matter what you spend, there's still stuff you can pick at on these cars. My opinion on these cars, and what I actually enjoy most about it, is doing stuff on them, right? Making them my own, kind of getting my hands dirty. I really enjoy that part of it. Actually, I think that's there's supposed to be a what do you call it in there? Ashtray in there. It's missing on the back console. I'd have to check though, because I can't really remember, to be honest with you. Just a little sweetheart, man. This thing runs out excellent. Nice little stock 340 in it. Maybe put the hood pins in. There's a little touch-up mark there. Again, I'm not trying to pick them apart, guys. We've been doing this for 40 years, man. I want to represent the car for what it is. Looks like all the gauges are working. But, well, it's just a bug on there. About, you know, 70-80% of these cars, we don't even meet the people when we sell them, so we want you to get the car and like it. That's a little sweetheart right there, man. That's a pretty car.
No, it works. I gotta figure out how to turn it on though. It works.
You got it on?
Yeah, I've had it on.
Blower motor, Jay?
Yep,
blower motor does work.
I'm not doing this again. There's power.
We'll check on it, guys. Jay said he had it on before.
It works.
I know the one thing I think he said he was going to have to do is check the wipers. I don't think he had the wipers working. You see all the little lights under there working. Fog lights work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Facebook, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Yeah, that's a pretty car, man. Have a great day, guys.